Welcome to our travel laundry showdown. Today, we're diving into the world of portable washing machines, focusing on two popular options: the Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine and the Sangukiro Portable Washer. With the rise of micro-living and frequent travel, these compact devices have become essential for managing laundry on the go. We'll compare their capacities, materials, and user interfaces to help you decide which one is the best fit for your lifestyle. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Swojag Mini Portable Washing Machine offers an 11-liter capacity, making it suitable for small loads like baby clothes and socks. In contrast, the Sangukiro Portable Washer boasts a larger 16-liter capacity, allowing for more flexibility in washing multiple items at once. This difference can be crucial for travelers or apartment dwellers who need to wash more clothes in a single cycle. Material safety is another important factor to consider. The Swojag Mini Portable Washing Machine is constructed from standard ABS plastic, which is lightweight but may not be the best choice for washing delicate items. On the other hand, the Sangukiro Portable Washer is made from food-grade silicone and TPE, ensuring safety for sensitive garments, particularly baby clothes. This makes the Sangukiro a more appealing option for those prioritizing material safety. Lastly, let's discuss the control interfaces. The Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine features a modern touchscreen interface, providing a sleek and user-friendly experience. In contrast, the Sangukiro Portable Washer uses traditional push buttons, which may be less intuitive for some users. However, both interfaces serve their purpose well, allowing users to operate the machines effectively. In conclusion, both the Swag Mini Portable Washing Machine and the Sangukiro Portable Washer offer unique advantages for travelers and small space dwellers. The Swojag is perfect for those seeking extreme portability and a modern interface, while the Sangukiro excels in capacity and material safety. Consider your laundry needs and preferences when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.